Let's cook a steak. Generous salt and pepper on both sides. Hot pan. Listen to that sizzle. Let it build a crust and flip. Butter, garlic, rosemary. Baste all that flavor over the top. Rest it a few. Hello guys. Today I bought this electric fillet knife from Amazon, and I'm just unboxing this to try to show you what did they have. Okay, I'm just unboxing this. I got gloves. Okay, there's gloves, and has knife blade. I guess this one flex blade. I guess 7 inch. It's 9 inch, and this is for the stiff one, stiff blade. This flex, the big one right here. Okay, so and this has the pillar, I guess for the fish, and it's got knife, right? You definitely need knife, flat, and this is the blade. Got 2 blades together, and this attach. I'm gonna use for the fillets. This is 7 inch knife, right? And this has battery. Okay, and the battery attached here. Right, so put the blade here. Let's start with this. Let me wear the gloves. This has pretty good set. So it has 2 battery. Alright, let's wear the gloves. Okay, I'm gonna put this one. Probably need for this one. I'm gonna start with. Try with this guy, the fillet. Okay, let me try this guy, the stiff one. No, I'm gonna try the small one. Sorry, small one first. Guess you put this blade right here. Wait, this way. Should be this way. Okay. Oh, here you go. Wait. Okay. Check the battery. It's full, and just give you power. Oh, okay. All right, this is the fillet. So today I'm gonna cut this to fillet this the Pogy, and I have steak. Next one is the frozen squid. Okay, let's try. So I'm gonna use this pillar first. Start off this fish. Get it up. How is good? Let's see. Okay. Now I'm going to use a knife. All right, let's cut this. This off. Okay. There you go. I need this skin. Now I'm gonna try peel it off this guy. Let's go. Let's try this. Electric knife. Electric knife, come on. Wow, it's so okay. Wow. Now I'm gonna try. Oh. The fish, like they're here to flat this fish. Now I'm gonna steak got this steak and try to I clean this plate, and the way it works is when you see they like close each other, because that's how it cuts. Right, I'm gonna save steak. Let's cut it half. Okay, cut this maybe. Wow, it's very soft, very good. Good. There we go. This is steak. Okay. Right, I'm going to cut the squid, the frozen ones. Right, I'm gonna change the blade. So you push down, take it out. I use a steep one right here. So when you like, this is locked. It's locked. Put this guy. Okay, it's good. It's 9-inch steep one. So this is a frozen one. Let's see how it cuts. Okay, let's do this. Get one. It's frozen one. It's gonna be tough. Got weight. It's 9-inch ones, and it's got. Here you go. I use this guy to cut this. It's really frozen, so it's hard to cut. But try with this knife. Yeah, it's a lot better. Electric knife. There you go. Cut this. It's tough. This. Alright, and then take it out, and I'm gonna wash. Show you how to wash this plate. Take it out. You All right. Okay, so I'm done with this. I'm gonna take it out and wash. How wash? So open this, take it out, and just gonna wash. Take it out. The blade. Got a blade right here. Wash. Let's cook a steak. Generous salt and pepper on both sides. Hot pan. Listen to that sizzle. Let it build a crust and flip butter, garlic, rosemary. Baste all that flavor over the top. Rest it a few minutes so the juices stay inside.